Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x minus 1 divided by 1 minus x is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So in this question we solve this problem for two methods, and I hope so you like both of these methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now here in the first method, we if you see here 1 is divided by 1, we write this 1 in this form, and now here we need to cross multiply the terms. We multiply 1 minus x with this one, and we multiply 1 with this equation. This term, it will be written as x minus 1 is multiplied by 1 is equals to 1 is multiplied by 1 minus x. And because we solve this problem for the values of x, so that when we multiply this one on both of these terms, it will becomes here x minus 1, and when we multiply this one on both of these terms, it will be written as 1 minus x. And now here in the next step, we move all the variable terms in the left hand side, and we move all the constant terms in the right hand side. So for this, we need to move this minus x in the left hand side, and after moving this, it will be written as x plus x is equals to, this is 1 and this minus 1 becomes here plus 1. And now further in the next step, we have this is x plus x is equals to 2x, and 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. And now further in the next step, because we solve this problem for the values of x, so that's why we need to divide both of the sides by 2. So when we divide both of the sides by 2, then we will get here this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and this 2 is cancelled out by this 2. So this is implies that in the left hand side we get x is equals to, in the right hand side we will get 1. So this shows that we have the final value of x is equals to 1. This is our final value of x. And now here in the next step, we need to verify this value of x, and we check that is this value of x is satisfied our given equation or not. So for verification of this value, we need to copy down given equation here. It will becomes x minus 1 divided by 1 minus x is equals to 1. This is the our given question statement. And now further in the next step, you see here uh, we uh, uh, we need to substitute this value of x is equals to 1 in the left hand side of this equation, and when we put it here, it will becomes 1 minus 1 divided by, this is 1 minus x, and here we again put x is equals to 1, so this will becomes 1 minus 1, and the whole equation is equals to 1 or not. This is the our claim. And now you see here 1 minus 1 becomes here 0 divided by 1 minus 1 is also becomes here 0, and we check that is this equals to 1. So here I can just tell you a question, 0 over 0 is equals to what? So 0 by 0 is called the indeterminate form. It means that 0 over 0 is not solvable. Okay, its answer will becomes here likewise some infinity or undefined. Its answer will becomes here undefined. Okay, so it is undefined, and you see here if this is undefined is equals to 1, and you clearly see that both of these values are not equal. So it means that the value of x is not satisfied our given question statement. So if this value is not satisfied, this means that, or finally we conclude that our given question has no solution. Okay, because the value of x is not satisfied our given question statement. So here we conclude that our given equation has no solution. And now in the next step, we again solve this problem for second method. So in second method, we again need to copy down the given question statement here, so that the given question statement is x minus 1 divided by 1 minus x is equals to 1. This is the our given question statement. And now here in the second method, we need to take common minus sign from the denominator term. So when we will take common minus sign from here, it will be written as after taking common minus sign, we just change the sign of all of these terms. Okay, so this is plus 1 becomes minus 1, this is minus x becomes plus x, so it will be written as x minus 1, and this is equals to 1. And now you see here, this x minus 1 is cancelled out by this x minus 1, and here you see that in the left hand side we will get minus 1 is equals to plus 1. So here you clearly say that minus 1 is not equals to plus 1. So this shows that our given equation has no value of x, or our given equation has no solution. So minus 1 is equals to 1 is not possible case. This is not possible. So if this is not possible, it means that our given equation has no solution. Okay, so you see here in the second method you again get the answer is no solution. And I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.